Okay, guys, it is another beautiful weekend, and we will be checking out some of these trading activities some of these assets for this weekend and see how we have performed so far throughout this week and what we should look out for this weekend. Okay, so if you have been following up with my videos for the past few days, kindly watch this video to the end because it will help you a lot. And if you are just joining us for the first time, also watch this video to the end because there are so many things for you to learn right from here. We're going to be revealing our strategy which we have been using for a while, and this has actually been working for us. So let's go straight into it right away. But before we do that, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, feel free to drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so we will be starting with GainX 1200. Just like you guys have known, we've been trading the spikes on GainX 1200 for the past few days now. I think almost throughout this week, we've been on this spikes trading. This is 15-minute time frame. We started right from here. This green horizontal line happened to be our entry point, while this is our support zone. And as you can see, it has gotten to all our TPs. And as it is still buying, guys. This is still very much an uptrend. That is why this strategy, which we have been using, it has been an amazing strategy for trading any of these assets. Okay, it is called a trend trading asset. You trading a particular asset on a particular trend for a very long time. As you can see, this has actually been going on for days. Okay, for like a week now, we've been on this spikes trading trend, okay, on GainX 1200, and we've made a lot of profit from here. So congratulations to those of you who are able to achieve this. Okay, so this is still an uptrend. Okay, just the way you are seeing it, we are still having the trend signal, the uptrend signal right here on the chart, which is the yellow color. Okay, the yellow flag. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's see, guys. This is GainX 999. Let's move on, guys. For GainX 999, this had been on downtrend for a very long time. This happened to be our entry point, and check it out. It has been selling for long, got to this support zone, broke out from here, from there around here, and of course got to another support region at this point, and also broke out below it. Okay, it also broke out below it to sell more. Right now, it is at another support region. If it should break out from there, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will switch the trend into an uptrend. Okay, before I move on, let's go back to the next 1200. Okay, right now for GainX 1200, we are actually waiting for it to get to the last bus stop of this train. Okay, so we are patiently waiting for it to switch into a downtrend so that we can trade it. We want to know when it will go on downtrend fully. It has given us so many profits trading the uptrend. Okay, so even though it is still buying, but we are now waiting because the trend will soon come to an end and it will go fully into a downtrend. So let's keep on waiting. So for GainX 999, we are also waiting for this also to go on uptrend, to switch from downtrend into an uptrend so that we can trade the spiky part fully. Okay, but for now it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the next support zone. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 1200. For Paynex 1200, I remember very well around last weekend, we actually traded the uptrend where it got to this resistance zone. But throughout this week, we've been on this downtrend. Okay, so got to this region, had some major pullbacks at this point, but right now it is still going to sell more. Okay, it is still going to sell more. This is the next target, guys. So you guys should take advantage of it. Okay, so once it breaks out from where it is right now, then it will sell more and may likely get to this region. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity on Paynex 1200. Okay, and of course, let's check out Paynex 999. For Paynex 999, We also make this particular asset right from this resistance zone, give us the sell signal. And I remember also dropping this signal about 2 or 3 days ago, and it achieved all our TPs within 24 hours. That's so amazing. Okay, so it went back, and of course, it's going to be going down again. So this is going to sell more, most especially once it breaks out from here. Then we should expect it to sell more and may likely get to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still very much on downtrend. Okay, so you should take note of it right from there. Now let's check out FX volume 80. What is happening with FX volume 80? FX volume 80 had actually been on uptrend for a while. I remember we dropped the signal for this particular asset at the early part of this week. Okay, and of course we actually milk the buy trend right from here till the very end of the trend. I think we stopped the trend, I mean the trade around here, hoping that it's going to switch into a downtrend. It tried to switch into downtrend, but it didn't go too far, went back up to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so right now we actually gave out an entry point signal at this point. It Yesterday I gave out an entry point at this point, and it was not activated, as you can see. This is it. It didn't activate it, and it didn't activate it here also before breaking out above the resistance zone. Okay, so the trade is still valid, and we are still waiting for it to activate it. So once it's activated, then these are the highlighted TPs which we are looking out for, and this is going to be the stop loss at this point. Okay, so we still believe that this is going to go on downtrend fully, because right now it has gotten to a new resistance zone and it has not been able to break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, it's going to buy more, but since it is finding it difficult to break out from there, we are most likely to experience a downtrend right from there. So once it goes fully into a downtrend, then it will activate our entry point, and we are most likely to achieve TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and if possible, it will get to this region also. But this 6 is what is certain, and that is, is what is most likely for us to achieve easily. Okay, and if the trend continues, then we are most likely to have it get into this region. I stopped here in the Telegram channel. Okay, but for those that are having this trading tool, they can still try to extend it as the trend is still going on. Okay, this might take some days. Okay, but we expect it to sell. Okay, today. Okay, so most especially if it finds it difficult to break out above this resistance zone, we expect it to sell right from there. So let's keep on watching, let's keep on checking, and let's follow up with it. If you have not set your order, kindly go ahead and do so right now. It is yet to be activated, so go ahead and do that right now so that we can get the best out of this. Okay, so these are some of the things that we have been enjoying on this particular platform. And the good thing about this is that both on my YouTube channel and Telegram channel, all these signals are given for free. Okay, and you also join my channel for free. Okay, so you don't need to pay any time before you can join. Okay, because we are here to build one another. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, you can follow the signals, and of course you can also learn to generate the signals on your own. Like I have told you, the exact strategy I am using. I am using the trend trading strategy. So YouTube can learn it by watching my videos and practicing on your demo account, so that you too can also understand how to go about it and generate signals on your own. And if you need help in analyzing your charts, you can get this trading tool. It will help you a lot to be able to analyze it better. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question, feel free to drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.